Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy TV, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button before you do anything. I don't want you to miss a post, so make sure you click the bell icon as well. Today I am just going to be showing you guys how I do my top knot bun. It's not going to be anything crazy, but I've been wearing my hair in this puff for about a week, and you know, it's frizzy. I'm ready to do something different, and I have somewhere to go, and I just feel like a bun is super easy. It looks put together. You could put some baby hairs on it, spice it up. You know, it just looks cute and pulled together. So I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use and the method that I use to get my top knot bun. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing that I do is drench my hair with water. I make sure I get the water all the way in my roots and I don't miss any areas. This is going to make sure that my hair is nice and pliable and I can put it up in a bun. And then once my hair is drenched, I'm going to go in with this Pantene Butter-Creme and just put that throughout my hair to also make my hair pliable and to give it some moisture. And then I just begin to brush my hair in the direction that I want my bun to sit. Boy, you do something to me. And once my hair is nice and smooth, I go in with this Shine and Gel Silk Edges and add that all around the perimeter of my hair. And then before I do my pony, I always do like a rough draft and just add some more water and smooth it up a little bit more. And then it is time for the ponytail. I'm using this headband wrapped around 3 times and I just smooth my hair in the direction that I want it to go and put it in a pony. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, baby, boot up, my heart go bottom, boot up, baby, it just won't stop, it go. And for my bun, I just kind of wrap it around, and I don't do anything very specific, but you guys can see in the video, I just wrap it around and then put the hair tie on it. And I know Eco Styler is supposedly canceled, but I'm using it on my edges because, you know, that's another talk for another day. But yes, I'm gonna lay my edges down and yeah. Listen to the heart go bottom, boot up, boot up, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, it just won't stop, it go bottom. And after my edges are laid, I take this scarf and put it on and let my hair sit while I get ready, and voila. It just won't stop, it go head over heels in love, right in front of you, I ain't gotta look no more, baby. Alright guys, that is a wrap for this very quick and easy video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, make sure you click the subscribe button so I can see you guys in the next one. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Baby, pull me closer.